All right, our next game, our last tag game today is called Yoshi, okay? So you'll notice that we have two teams. We have the blue team and we have the green team, okay? You're gonna need to work together as a team. You're gonna have to strategize because this game has offense playing and defense, okay? The object of the game is to get your whole team to the opposite team's mat.
Hey everyone, it's Chris from FlagHouse, and this week I'm here with Laura Hastings to look at some great other games of tag. You're it.
Who doesn't love a good game of tag? You can play it with large groups or small groups, and it improves on agility and speed. It's awesome.
Absolutely. So if you like videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. We have awesome videos every single Wednesday. Coming up next is Tag on the FlagHouse Activity Channel. Still it.
Yeah. All right, today's episode, guys, we're gonna play some great, awesome variations of the classic game of tag. You ready for the first one?
Yep.
First one's called Stuck in the Mud. So I need 2 volunteers to be our taggers to start. Back here. All right, everyone else, you're gonna grab a yellow ball. All right, when I say stop, you're gonna hold your ball on your head. Great job. All right, so this game is called Stuck in the Mud. Everybody has a ball except for our taggers who have noodles for tagging, okay? Our taggers, your job is to tag people. We're not tagging above the shoulders, right? Remember, always below the shoulders and not super hard. We just need to do it gently. So our people with the balls, you guys are the runners, you're gonna hold it under your armpit, just like this, okay? Just so it's nice and safe, so at least if you do fall down, you have one hand to catch you. Hopefully you don't get tagged. If you do get tagged, I gotta put my ball in between my feet like this, because now I'm stuck in the mud, I can't move, okay? If I wanna be saved, someone has to come save me. So Tristan, can you come in front of me? And then give me a toss, underhand throw. Or overhand, there you go. Okay, nice catch. I'm gonna give my ball to Tristan and we can continue playing. Okay, so to get saved, you need to toss a ball to somebody. You have to catch it. If you don't catch,
then that person can't save you?
Yep, so you gotta, someone else is gonna have to come save you, okay? If you are someone who is saving someone and you're in the middle of throwing them a ball, taggers, you cannot tag them, okay?
No, after they throw it?
After they throw it, you can tag them. Sage. Oh! Thank you. And that's Stuck in the Mud. Awesome job, guys. We're gonna try something else, okay? Can you put your balls back? Next up, we got Gopher Tag. Anyone know where gophers live? Where do they like to hang out?
Underground.
Yeah, underground in a tunnel, right? We're gonna imagine our mats as our hideouts for our gophers, okay? So I'm gonna choose a couple people to be gophers to start. Everyone else, you're gonna start back here, nice long line. You're gonna try and get to the other side without getting tagged by a gopher. Now, if you're a gopher, you wanna hide out till the last minute until someone runs by, and then you're gonna try and tag them below the shoulders, right? Okay, if you get tagged, you become a gopher too. Okay, and then we restart. So you're gonna run, when I say go, to the other side. You're gonna stop there if you didn't get tagged. We're gonna get our new gophers if you got tagged. And then we're gonna start again, running back to this side. 3, 2, 1. Gopher Tag! Go! Come get a noodle if you got tagged. 3, 2, 1. Gopher Tag! So that was Gopher Tag. Was it more fun to be the gopher or getting tagged?
Gopher.
Runner.
Yeah, runner? Nice. All right, our next game, our last tag game today is called Yoshi, okay? So you'll notice that we have two teams. We have the blue team and we have the green team, okay? You're gonna need to work together as a team. You're gonna have to strategize because this game has offense playing and defense, okay? The object of the game is to get your whole team to the opposite team's mat. So this is your side, blue team. Okay, you see the cones in the middle? This is your side, green team. Green team, if you come over to the blue team side to try and get on the mat, they can tag you. If you get tagged, you sit down where you got tagged, okay, below the shoulders, of course, okay? You sit down where you got tagged. Now you're not out. Your teammates over here can come save you. Okay, if they come over, they're gonna grab your hand and they're gonna pull you back to their side. Now you cannot tag anyone who is saving, okay? That's the one rule, okay? So let's say most of the team has made it over to the mat, okay? You need to get everybody there for the game round to be over. 3, 2, game on. She's passed, she's passed. Ooh, what are we gonna do? We gotta go sooner or later. Whoa, go, 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 nice, nice, nice! Leah! Blue team, awesome job, come on in. All right, so that was tag games. So fun variations you can play in your classroom of the classic game of tag, working on speed, agility. You can play with small groups or large groups. Have some fun.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to give us a like, share, or comment to let us know how we're doing. Now go ahead and click over here to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And remember to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. We have a new video every Wednesday. Click over here to see more of our videos, or down here to get great downloadable activity guides. See you next time on the FlagHouse Activity Channel.